What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you've got a premium iPhone 14 Pro Max that's currently stuck on the lock to owner screen, don't panic. You've found the right video. Today, I'm going to walk you through the professional way to fully unlock this device using the iRemoval GSMG tool. Everything we're using is available for free over at the GSM Germany website. As you can see, this 14 Pro Max is sitting on the Hello screen, completely restricted and useless. Before we get into the fix, here is the game plan. First, we'll verify the lock status with an IMEI check. Second, we'll head over to GSM Germany to register your hardware. This is the most important part of the entire process. And finally, we'll run the tool to perform a deep root-level activation. Let's get it started. I'm jumping over to iCloud, pasting the IMEI or serial number for this 14 Pro Max, and there you go. Find My iPhone is on, and the status is officially locked. Right now, this high-end device is essentially an expensive brick. Let's change that. Head over to the official GSM Germany website to grab the software. Navigate straight to the Tools section and download the iRemoval GSMG tool directly from there. I've already got the software ready on my desktop for this 14 Pro Max, so let's get right into it. Before you even open the tool, listen to me. Device registration is the golden rule. If you don't do this, the bypass will never authorize. Click the Device Register button and fill out the form with your IMEI. This whitelists your hardware on the secure servers, ensuring the unlock is permanent and stays active even if you factory reset. I've already registered this unit, so let's get to the final step. Open the iRemoval GSMG tool. It's a very clean, professional interface, and it recognizes my registered iPhone 14 Pro Max immediately. Now I'm going to click Activate. While that starts, I want you to look at my screen in 3uTools. You can see right here that the activation status clearly says no. The phone is still locked. The process will take a few more minutes, so feel free to skip ahead so you don't have to wait. Now we just let the magic happen. While that bar moves, let's talk about what's happening under the hood. We aren't just skipping a menu, we are performing a kernel-level memory injection. The A16 Bionic chip in this 14 Pro Max uses the Secure Enclave Processor, or SEP, to guard its encryption tokens. Normally, that's an impenetrable fortress, but our 2026 exploit allows the tool to communicate directly with the SEP during the boot sequence. We're performing a neural engine recalibration. Modern iOS versions use AI to scan for system inconsistencies. If you used a cheap standard bypass, the AI would detect it and relock the phone in minutes. Our tool avoids this by rewriting the root partition and patching the baseband tokens. When this phone calls home to Apple, it receives a spoofed authorization code that looks 100% legitimate. This hardware-level handshake is why the unlock is permanent and why you get full 5G cellular signal. Look at the screen. The tool says successfully activated. And check this out. If we look at 3uTools again, the activation status has officially changed to yes. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is rebooting now, and boom, we've jumped straight past the activation lock and right into the home menu. Face ID is working perfectly and Wi-Fi is strong. But here is the real proof. I'm going into settings right now to log in with a completely new iCloud account. As you can see, it accepts the ID immediately without any errors. You can use the App Store, sync your photos, and use the device exactly like it just came out of the box. This iPhone is now 100% factory clean with no trace of the previous owner. That is the power of the 2026 GSMG method. If this saved your phone, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. For any technical questions, join our Telegram group via the link in the description. The community is there 24/7. Thanks for watching and enjoy your unlocked iPhone 14 Pro Max.